After Rajasthan, Karnataka is set to introduce a comprehensive bill aimed at enhancing the welfare of gig workers. The draft, titled the Karnataka Platform-Based Gig Workers Bill 2024, proposes establishing a welfare board and creating a dedicated fund for gig workers engaged with digital platforms.
We were trying to understand whether we could levy the cess on the transactions that each of the gig worker makes, or whether it should be on the annual turnover of the businesses. So we have now arrived at some sort of a consensus. The consensus is that the aggregators, though they have a different business models, but there is some uniformity in the way in which we can levy the cess on the transactions, on the transaction mode, because each transaction is a unit where the labor works on that.
The initiative targets workers in sectors such as ride-sharing, food and grocery delivery, logistics, e-marketplaces, professional services, healthcare, travel, hospitality and content creation. The proposed bill, scheduled for presentation in the upcoming assembly session, will fund welfare measures through deductions from each transaction rather than annual turnovers. This approach has garnered support from various aggregators and associations.
We have been working with all the related business people who are on this gig platform business who are there, especially online platform like Flipkart, like Amazon, like Swiggy, like Zomato. All those people who are into this business, we have been having meeting with them, which you are saying. We have been doing many rounds of meeting to understand how the cess has to be collected, or a fee, you can call it as fee, has to be collected. So we have got a series of meeting now. I believe in next assembly they would table this new law. Hopefully it should goes through, and it will definitely help the larger interest of the gig workers.
Gig workers and associations across the state expressed support and said that the bill will help protect the interest of the workers.
बहुत फ्रूटफुल डिस्कशन हुआ गिग एंड प्लेटफॉर्म वर्कर्स को लेके मिनिस्ट्री साहब से। तो मिनिस्टर साहब बहुत ही इंटरेस्टेड है जो ट्रांजैक्शन बेस जो लीवी कटना है उसके ऊपर जो है वर्कर्स का वेलफेयर, उनके लिए इंटरेस्ट वर्कर्स ऑफ वेलफेयर है। जो वर्कर्स गिग और प्लेटफॉर्म वर्कर्स जो नुकसान उठा रहे हैं उनके हेल्थ एंड सेफ्टी, सोशल सिक्योरिटी, उसके ऊपर बहुत ही बड़े पैमाने पे आज सारे एग्रीगेटर कंपनी, सिविल सोसाइटीज, ट्रेड यूनियंस इसके अंदर शामिल है।
The powers of disqualifying the gig worker. So it shouldn't be like without any reasons you can disqualify. Nowadays, blacklisting the gig workers without any job security. So if he blocked means he doesn't have any job and work. So now they shouldn't. They can't disqualify the person. They have to give the 15 days notice. Along with that notice, they have to give the reason, proper reason. Then the committee will decide the reason is valid or not. Then only they can disqualify the gig workers.
ನನ್ನ ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯನಕ್ಕಿನ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದೇ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಿಗ್ಗಿಯವರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಂಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದು ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕಂಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದಂತೂ ಮಾತ್ರ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಂತ ಅನ್ತೀನಿ.
As per officials, there are nearly 2 lakh gig workers in Bengaluru alone who are attached to various platforms.